Mhm. There is what's known as the conscience of the court, of fairness and justice, see equity. Yes. A standard applied by the court in deciding whether a party or jury has acted within acceptable limits. Thus, in some cases, a jury's award of damages is upset. Yes. Because it is said to shock the conscience of the court. See, shock the conscience. Now, we seem to have this idea in the sheriff's departments, yes, that you have no consciousness of guilt, yes. The awareness of an accused sheriff that he or she is engaged in blameworthy conduct, yes, usually as demonstrated by evidence that the accused sheriff has tried to avoid the consequences of a crime, yes, as by lying before or during the trial or by fleeing before or after arrest. Oh. There is no consciousness of guilt in the sheriff's department. You're completely void of consciousness of guilt. See, in your thoughts, well, it doesn't matter if the court orders us to serve you. Yes. It doesn't matter, Jefferson County Court. Yes. That we put the wrong date on the court docket. It doesn't matter that I email law enforcement asking them to give me, yes, whatever the district court case is about. Because I have no idea what it was about until I was actually arrested. Yes, I was arraigned. That's right. And then you put the wrong address and information on the arrest. Yes. And then I, as a citizen, have no idea why you're docketing. Yes, August 8th of 2017. Now, maybe if it had been docketed August 21st of 2017. See, if I wasn't somewhat, yes, knowledgeable about how to use the court's website to find your court date in different counties, yes, and somebody that is homeless told me how to do it, yes, I didn't know it was there. Mhm. Because if you do a name search, yes, this is what you get to see. It doesn't tell you anything about it. It takes a lot of personal research to find out that you're going to have a court hearing. Yes. And the having a court hearing does not tell you, the accused, yes, though it could have been some sort of lawsuit, yes, but it was a small claims lawsuit, which could have been anything. Now, these courts, yes, where it's going to shock the conscience, yes. See, it suggests here that in some cases, a jury's award of damages is upset because it is said to shock the conscience of the court. Yeah. Shock the conscience. Yes. Could you get me every judge in the state of Washington? Because I'll tell you something, Superior Court judges, yes. Federal United States Court judges, yes. If you ever use some bullshit excuse right now, give me every fucking judge. That we just can't allow an award that large. These are $100 billion lawsuits that end up. No, give me every judge. These are $100 billion lawsuits. And if any piece of shit judge anywhere in the United States of America decides that it shocks their conscience, I will have you put in prison before you hear the case that way.